Hi, welcome to Rock Tutors. Today I am going to discuss about circles of class 10th Icse board. This topic is one of the easiest chapter in the syllabus. If you don't know the concepts, then it is one of the confusing chapter. That's why we have to be focused on concepts. When you understand the concepts, then we can apply these concepts when we are solving the problems. ఈరోజు మనం సర్కిల్స్ అనే చాప్టర్స్ గురించి మనం డిస్కస్ చేయబోతున్నాము. ఈ యొక్క సర్కిల్స్ అనే చాప్టర్ చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. సో ఎవరికైతే కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా క్లియర్గా ఉంటాయో, సో మనకి కాన్సెప్ట్స్ క్లియర్గా ఉంటే సమ్స్ని సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు సో మనము ఈ యొక్క కాన్సెప్ట్స్ని అప్లై చేస్తాము. అప్పుడు మనకి ప్రాపర్ రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అనేది మనకి వస్తుంది. అందుకనే కాన్సెప్ట్స్ మీద కంప్లీట్గా ఫోకస్ చేద్దాం. సో వితౌట్ ఎనీ డిలే విల్ గో టు ద టాపిక్. అవర్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ సర్కిల్. సర్కిల్. వాట్ ఈజ్ అ సర్కిల్? వాట్ ఈజ్ మీన్ బై సర్కిల్? సర్కిల్ అంటే ఏంటి? సర్కిల్స్ అంటే the path of all points that are equidistant from a fixed point. అయితే ఆ పాత్ని ఏమంటాము? సర్కిల్ అంటాం. అంటే చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మీన్స్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద పాయింట్స్. ఈ పాయింట్లన్నీ కూడా ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ నుంచి కనుక, దిస్ ఎ ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్, ఈ ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ నుంచి కనుక ఈక్వల్ డిస్టెన్స్లో ఉంటే, ఈ యొక్క పాయింట్స్ ఈక్వల్ డిస్టెన్స్లో ఉంటే ఈ పాత్ని ఏమంటామంటే సర్కిల్ అంటాం. ఇఫ్ దీస్ పాయింట్స్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ఈక్వి డిస్టెన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎ ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్, దెన్ దిస్ పాత్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఎ సర్కిల్. Now you can see this. If I join all the points, then it will becomes like this. అనుకుందాం. ఇప్పుడు దీని అంటాము సర్కిల్ అంటాం. ఈ సర్కిల్లో ఈ ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ అంటాము సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ అంటాం. ఈ ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ని సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ అంటాం. సర్కిల్ డెఫినేషన్: ద పాత్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ పాయింట్స్ దట్ ఆర్ ఈక్విడిస్టెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎ ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ is called a circle. In other words, a circle is a set of those points in a plane that are at a given constant distance from a given fixed point in the plane. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. Idi next point is radius. What is meant by radius? Radius means a constant distance of each and every point on the circle from its center is called a radius. Radius అంటే సర్కిల్ యొక్క సెంటర్ నుంచి కనుక, దిస్ అ సర్కిల్, ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ సెంటర్, దిస్ అ సెంటర్, ఏ డిస్టెన్స్ ఏ డిస్టెన్సెస్ కావచ్చు, ఎనీ డిస్టెన్స్ from the center of the circle the distance from center of circle to on the circle, on the point on the circle, this is called a radius. ఇది రేడియస్ అంటాము. సెంటర్ నుంచి సర్కిల్ మీద ఉన్న పాయింట్ దగ్గరికి ఈ యొక్క కాన్స్టెంట్ డిస్టెన్స్, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఈక్వలే, ఆల్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ డిస్టెన్స్, ఏదైనా కావచ్చు, అన్నీ కూడా ఈక్వల్ డిస్టెన్స్లే. సో దేనైనా సరే ఇది కూడా రేడియస్, అన్నీ కూడా రేడియస్లే, ఇవన్నీ కూడా రేడియస్. రేడియస్ అంటే ఏంటి? రేడియస్ అంటే సెంటర్ నుంచి సర్కిల్ యొక్క మీద ఉన్న పాయింట్ దగ్గరికి ఆ మధ్యలో ఉన్న డిస్టెన్స్ని దీని అంటాము రేడియస్ అంటాము. ద కాన్స్టెంట్ distance of each and every point on the circle from its center is called the radius of the circle. Okay, this is the definition. Once again, this is the figure. In this figure you can see that O is the center, the distance from O to P here, the distance from O to P, this is called a radius. This is O to P, this is called radius. We represent radius with R. The next point is diameter of the circle. A line joining 2 points, a line joining 2 points on the circle passing through center, passing through center. Two points ni join chestu, if I draw a line segment, the line segment, the points are suppose A and B. A, this point is A, this point is B. If I join these 2 points, line segment, and this line segment is passing through center, this is important, center is example, then this line segment is called a diameter of the circle. A line segment joining 2 points on the circle and passing through the center of the circle is called diameter of the circle. In the given figure, AB is a diameter of the circle with center O. Obviously, the length of diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Understand? So now we know that the diameter is 2 into radius. See in this figure, so here this is, we know that OB is called a radius and OA also radius. So diameter means diameter is equal to, diameter D is equal to R plus R is equal to 2R. That means diameter equal to 2 into radius, 2 into radius. What is mean by interior of a circle? Interior of a circle. Interior, a point, suppose a point X lies, suppose this is the circle, okay, interior of the circle means, see this is the circle, okay, this point X is there, this is the center O, center O, okay, this point is X. Now a point X lies inside a circle if and only it is a distance from the center of circle is less than the radius of the circle. So if you know that this is the, suppose this is the radius, OP is the radius, and this distance OX is the distance. If you compare these two distance, OX is less than OP. OP. OX is less than OP. So then we can say that this point is inside the circle. A point X lies inside a circle if and only its distance from the center of the circle is less than the radius of the circle. Now, in this figure, we can see that the figure OX is less than R. So then we can say that X is inside the circle. So in the given figure, OX is less than R. Therefore, X lies inside the circle. The set of all points, the plane such that OX is less than R forms the interior of a circle. So next point is a circular region. Circular region. What is meant by circular region? Circular region means, we know that region inside the circle, the interior region of a circle along the circumference is called the circular region. Circular region means this is the center, this is a circle, and this part not this part, this line, the interior. So this part, the shaded part, is called the interior region. Now, one more thing, that is exterior region. What do you mean by exterior? This is interior. This is called an interior region. Interior region. So what is meant by exterior region? Exterior means outside of the circle. Now this part, which part? Suppose this the point is a P, is a point. This point is where this point is exterior of the circle. A point P lies outside a circle if and only if the distance from the center of the circle is greater than the radius of the circle. Then we can say that the point is exterior of the circle. Now see here, this is the center. This is the center. The distance from here to here, center O. Okay, the distance OP, and this is the radius. This radius is R. Now OP is greater than R. Then we can say that the point is exterior of the circle. We have two reasons. One is that interior and exterior. Okay. The interior region of a circle along with the circumference is called the circular region. Exterior of a circle. Exterior of a circle. A point P lies outside a circle if and only if its distance from the center of the circle is greater than the radius of the circle. So a point is, the distance from the point from the center is greater than the radius, then the point we can say that the point is exterior of the circle. See here, OP, in this figure, OP is greater than R. So in the adjacent figure, OP is greater than R. Therefore, P lies outside of the circle. The set of all points of the plane such that OP is greater than R from the exterior of the circle. Next point, chord of the circle. What is meant by chord of the circle? Ante a line segment which joins any 2 points of a circle is called a chord of the circle. Circle lo, if the line segment joining any 2 points of the circle is called a chord of the circle. This is the circle. On this circle, if I am taking any 2 points, circle, if I am taking any 2 points, this is the point, this is one point, this is about A, and this is one point, this is B. If I join these 2 points, this is called a chord of the circle. If you join any 2 points on the circle, so this point I am taking as a, this point is a P, this point is Q. I join these 2 points. Yeah, I join like this, these 2 points. And this line segment, PQ line segment, is called a chord of the circle. Chord of a circle. A line segment which joins any 2 points of a circle is called a chord of the circle. A circle has infinite number of chords. In the adjacent figure, PQ is a chord of a circle with center O. The distance PQ is called the length of the chord. Okay, so we know that. So this is the figure. From this figure you can understand that. So this figure PQ, the distance from the P to Q, the length of the this one, the line segment PQ, this is called a length of the chord. So you can draw how many chords? Infinity many number of chords we can draw. Like this. Like this also you can draw the chords. This is also chord. This is also chord. Like this we can draw how many chords? Infinity. Chords you can draw. Next point, arc of a circle. What is meant by arc of a circle? A part of a circle included between 2 points. A part of a circle included between 2 points on the circle. Is called a arc of a circle. Once again, a part of a circle. Circle యొక్క part తీసుకుంటే ఆ పార్ట్ని అంటే ఆర్క్ అంటాం. ఆర్క్ ఆఫ్ ఎ సర్కిల్. Arc of a circle. A part of a circle included between 2 points on the circle is called arc of a circle. The arc of a circle is denoted by the symbol, okay? So one symbol will draw this one. This is the way they represent the symbol. And here, this is the circle, and this part from here to here, this is a part of the circle. From M between the 2 points, this part is called the arc of the circle. Next point, circumference of a circle. Next point is a circumference of a circle. The whole arc of a circle is called a circumference of a circle. The whole arc of a circle. So this is the circle. Just we discussed about the arc. From here to here is the arc. This distance is called the arc. If that whole arc of the circle, this is the whole arc of the circle, is called a circumference of the circle. The whole arc of a circle is called the circumference of the circle. The length of the circumference of a circle is the length of its whole arc. However, in general, the term circumference of a circle refers to its length. The circumference is called the length of the circle. You can say this is the length also, total length. Semicircle. Next point is a semicircle. Is a circle, and if I cut like this, exactly half, that means this is the diameter. Diameter dividing the circle into 2 parts. The diameter, cut the circle into 2 parts. Then each part is called a semicircle. So this part semicircle, and this part also semicircle. Semicircle. A diameter of a circle divides the circle into 2 equal parts. Each part of the whole is called a semicircle of the circle. So this is the semicircle part. So you can see 2 parts. One is that he put a dotted lines, another is a thick line. So AB, top one semicircle and bottom also semicircle. The dividing, that's whole circle. Whole circle is divided into 2 parts by the diameter. Minor and major arc. Minor and major arcs. Take this circle. Yeah. Just now we discussed about arc. these are the 2 points I am taking. This is 1 point and this is 1 point. This distance is called an arc. Arc means part of the circle, part of a circle. Now this is this length is compared to remaining part of the circle. This length is small than the remaining part of the circle. Now this is called a minor arc, and remaining part of the circle, this is called a major arc. Okay. This is the general information about the arc. Small part of the circle is called a minor arc, and large part of the circle, greater part of the circle is called a major arc. An arc less than the length of a semicircle is called a minor arc of the circle, and an arc greater than the length of a semicircle is called a major arc of the circle. Understood? Now see here, this is the, you know that just now we discussed this is a semicircle. From here to here, if I draw the diameter, is semicircle. This arc, this PQ arc is less than the length of the semicircle, then this is called a minor arc. And this arc, this part, the remaining part of this one, yes, take this one. This is the greater than the length of the semicircle. So this is called a major arc. Angle subtended by an arc. Angle subtended by an arc means what? అంటే ఒక ఆర్క్ కనుక సెంటర్ దగ్గర చేస్తున్న యాంగిల్ని ఏమంటామంటే యాంగిల్ సబ్టెండెడ్ బై an arc. సో ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం. This is the point, this is the center of the circle O, this is the arc, this is the arc PQ. If this arc, how much angle making at the center? Adjoin, yeah. ఈ angle, this angle is called a angle subtended by an arc. This the angle formed by the two bounding radii of an arc of a circle at the center of the circle is called the angle subtended by the arc. Once again, the angle formed by two bounding radii of arc of a circle at the center of the circle is called the angle subtended by the arc. Now here, this is PQ's arc, how much angle making at the center O. So angle POQ, angle POQ, here is angle POQ angle POQ. This is a angle subtended by an arc. Next topic is a sector of a circle. Sector of a circle means what? Means the region of enclosed by an arc of a circle and its two bounding radii. అంటే సింపుల్గా ఇది సెంటర్, ఇది ఆర్క్ అనుకున్నాం, ఏబి ఆర్క్. ఈ ఏబి ఆర్క్, దిస్ ఈజ్ రేడియస్, దిస్ ఆల్సో రేడియస్. ఆర్క్ అలాగే ఈ రేడియస్ల మధ్య, ఈ రెండు రేడియస్ల మధ్య ఉన్న యొక్క ఏరియాని, రీజన్ని ఏమంటామంటే సెక్టర్ అంటాం. సింపుల్. The region enclosed by an arc of a circle and its two bounding radii is called a sector of a circle. See here, the shaded portion అంటే sector. In the given figure, the region enclosed by AB arc and its two boundary radii OA and OB is a sector of the circle with center O. Generally, the term sector of a circle refers the area of this region. What the meaning of sector? Sector of a circle means the area of the region, this area, this shaded part, this is called a sector. That means area of this region is called a sector. Concentric circles. The circles, all the circles have the same center. Suppose this is a circle and one more circle, and one more circle, suppose these are all they have all the same center, then these circles are called a concentric circles అని అంటాం. అంటే 2 or more circles are said to be concentric if and only if they have the same center and different radii. They have a different radii. చూసాం కదా, చూస్తే మనకి they have a same center, but అడిగండి different radius. ఇది రేడియస్, ఈ లెంగ్త్ వేరే రేడియస్, బికాస్ దే హ్యావ్ different circles కాబట్టి the radii will be different. ఇది in fact we can draw a number of circles with the same center and different radii, and such circles are called a family of concentric circles. Family of concentric circles అని అంటాం. Equal or congruent circles. Equal or congruent circles అంటే ఏంటి? Equal circles, equal or congruent circles అనేది ఎప్పుడు అవుతాయి అంటే when we can say that the circles are congruent or equal. So congruent means when we can say that objects are congruent. When the objects are congruent, when we say if their size and shape, say shape and size both are same, equal, then we can say that both are congruent. So here also the circles are congruent means what? That means their shape and size. Here size means how can we measure the size of the circle. So here size of circle we can measure, we can say by the radius. If both circles have the same radius, equal radius, then you can say that the circles are congruent. Example, this is one of the circle, this is also one of the circle. If this radius, this is a center O, this is center, another center is a O dash. This radius, this is the radius R, this is also radius R. If both are equal, that means this is 5 centimeters, example, this is 5 centimeters, this is also 5 centimeters, then we can say that these two are equal circles. These two are equal circles. These two are equal circles. Two or more circles are said to be equal or congruent if and only if they have the same radius. See here, two circles O and O dash. The two circles, if they have the radius is the RR, it means both are same radius, then we can say that these two are congruent circles. Circumscribed circle. What is meant by circumscribed circle? Circumscribed circle means yes, but this figure is a polygon. This circle is touching all the vertices of the polygon, then this circle is called a circumscribed circle. A circle passing through all the vertices of a polygon is called a circumscribed circle of the polygon, and its center is called circumcenter. What we call? The center is called a circumcenter. This center O is called a circumcenter. This center O is called a circumcenter. Okay. Adjoining figure, the polygon ABCDE is called inscribed polygon. What do you call? Inscribed. The points which lie on the circumference of the circle, of the same circle, are called concyclic points. Concyclic points. Cyclic quadrilateral. Circle, I took a circle, this circle mera I am taking 4 points. ఈ క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్ని ఏమంటామంటే సైక్లిక్ క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్ అంటాం. ఏమంటే దీన్ని సైక్లిక్ క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్. Suppose I am taking as a P, Q, R, S. ఈ యొక్క సైక్లిక్ క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్ యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఏంటంటే ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్స్ అంటే యాంగిల్ పి యాంగిల్ ఆర్, యాంగిల్ పి యాంగిల్ ఆర్ ఏమవుతుంది యాడ్ చేస్తే యాంగిల్ పి ప్లస్ యాంగిల్ ఆర్ is equal to 180. అంటే we can say that opposite angles are supplementary. And here also angle S plus angle Q is equal to 180. So opposite angles are supplementary of the cyclic quadrilateral. So this is important point. A quadrilateral is said to be cyclic when all its vertices lie on the circumference of a circle. So ఇక్కడ చూస్తే మనం ఈ ఫిగర్లో అన్ని పాయింట్స్ కూడా ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి, సర్కంఫరెన్స్ మీద ఉన్నాయి. ఆల్ పాయింట్స్ లై ఆన్ ద సర్కంఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్. Then this is called a cyclic quadrilateral. In the adjacent figure, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. The points P, Q and R are concyclic points. The cyclic quadrilateral has two pair of opposite vertices PR and QS, opposite angles, angle P, angle R, angle Q, angle S, opposite angles of a quadrilaterals are supplementary. Next point is inscribed circle. Inscribed circle అంటే ఆ పాలిగాన్ యొక్క సైడ్స్ కనుక సర్కిల్ టచ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే అన్ని సైడ్స్ కనుక సర్కిల్ కనుక టచ్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు ఆ సర్కిల్ని ఇన్స్క్రైబ్డ్ సర్కిల్ అంటాం. ఆ యొక్క పాలిగాన్ని సర్కమ్స్క్రైబ్డ్ పాలిగాన్ అంటాం. Yeah. You see in this figure, ఈ యొక్క పాలిగాన్ యొక్క అన్ని సైడ్స్ని సర్కిల్ టచ్ చేసింది. ఈ సర్కిల్ని ఇన్స్క్రైబ్డ్ సర్కిల్ అంటాం. ఈ యొక్క పాలిగాన్ని సర్కమ్స్క్రైబ్డ్ పాలిగాన్ అని అంటాం. A circle touching all the sides of a polygon is called an inscribed circle of the polygon, and its center is called a incenter. The polygon is called a circumscribed polygon. See here in this one. So PQRSTU అనేది పాలిగాన్. ఈ పాలిగాన్ని యొక్క సైడ్స్ని సర్కిల్ టచ్ చేస్తూ ఉంది, అన్ని సైడ్స్ని. సో ఈ యొక్క సర్కిల్ని ఏమంటామంటే ఇన్స్క్రైబ్డ్ సర్కిల్ అంటాం. ఇవి ఈ టాపిక్స్లో ఉన్న యొక్క కొన్ని బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. సో వీటిని నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మనము థీరమ్స్, అలాగే థీరమ్స్ మీద కొన్ని సమ్స్ మనం సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. సో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో discuss about theorems and questions based on the theorems. Thank you for watching this video and like, share and subscribe.